There's a bee! What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back at it again from Fly for Hype, man. Please, if you guys are into sneakers, you're into the culture, you're also into entertainment, this might be the channel for you because we also do updates on sneaker releases as well. So without further ado, man, let's get into the video. There's a lot of controversy going on the internet right now, and it's a huge debate, so you're not going to want to miss this. I just want to say, guys, we have reached over 300 subscribers. That right there is a big milestone for us, especially because we are a small sneaker YouTube channel. So I just want to say thank you very much. Now we are on the road to 400. So do your boy a favor and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, man, because if we get to 400, man, it's just only gonna get better and better. I just need to let you guys know that we are going to be collaborating with a sneaker store downtown Toronto, and you do not want to miss that. So make sure to follow up with us. We will be doing live stuff on the Instagram as well, so follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Flight4Hype. Some of my favorite sneaker YouTubers have just been recognizing the work that we have done, so I just want to say thank you so much. Their links in the description are going to be down below because they do lives, and trust me, they are lit. And I also want to say congratulations to the Vintage on the 30K. So there's a lot of discussion in terms of the sneaker that is dropping on the holidays, which is the Jordan 11. We all know that Jordan 11s basically drop every single holiday, if not every other holiday, and this by far is, well, it might be a disappointment. A lot of people wanted the cool grays. I get it, or just another Jordan 11 in general that has a little bit more color because, well, let's be honest, like for a 25th anniversary sneaker, like this is what you guys come up with. Oh, come on, man. Clear! But luckily the cool grays might be dropping as well. It has been leaked, so hopefully we get that as well. Sometimes it is two sneakers, so we're gonna have to see. I feel like if you're a fellow sneakerhead, this is just like a slap in the face. So you have the Air Jordan 11 clears that are releasing, and clear, yeah, it's pretty freaking clear. It's pretty freaking clear that nobody wants these. So I'm gonna say right now, I don't mind them. I mean, they're pretty cool. They're very clean. If you don't have a Jordan 11, this might be a very clean pickup in terms of colorways, right? As you guys can see on the upper, you just got that black canvas basically. Then you have the perimeter of patent 11, and then you have an icy bottom. Basically, this is just like a Jordan 11 silhouette that's basically just has no color. It's just one concept, and that's what the concept is. It's just freaking clear. Like that's basically it. And who's to say that this sneaker may change? I feel like if Nike and Jordan see that all these reactions to this Jordan 11 clear, I feel like we have the power to change it. Like, keep in mind too, like, yeah, you know what, I have an idea. Let's get this video to 100 likes and let's sign a petition right now on this YouTube channel. Do we want the cool grays or do we want the clears? Comment down below what you want, and I swear to God I will send this to Nike and be like, look guys, look, this is what we want. We don't want this shit. Are we clear? I'm not gonna lie, the shoe is not bad. If this is gonna be your first Jordan 11, I feel like this would be a great Jordan 11 to have, only because if you have to ease into the whole silhouette, if you haven't worn it before, or it's your first purchase in Jordan, I feel like this is a great way to have that in your collection as a first time purchase. But if you got like the Space Jam 11s, I mean, like, do you really need something like this? Comment down below, guys. Let's make this a petition. Can we swap this Jordan 11 for a different Jordan 11 that will drop this holiday? Guys, keep in mind, 2020 has been a freaking mess. Like, it's been... I feel like this is just a giant curveball to 2020 in the sneaker world, you know what I mean? I mean, like, the Jordan 11 lows that are releasing right now is better than this. So... like, let me show you guys something. Yes, I just recently picked these up, but you know what though? At least there is some type of pattern on this. This is basically the clears in a low. Like, this is a Jordan 11 Space Jam low, but this looks better than that. Like, at least there's some type of texture. There's some type of pattern on a patent, like, to make it a little bit different. These shits right here, bro, I mean, they're just so basic. Okay, now that I see it, yeah, these things gotta go. So let's do this, man. If anyone actually cares about the holiday release, let's sign a petition in the comments down below. And then after, if I can figure out how to send this to Nike, if we can get an X amount of likes, an X amount of opinions, I just feel like that Nike should be able to change it up. Keep in mind too, in the holidays, I mean, like, you want to be full of joy. Who the hell is gonna be full of joy when they unbox these, bro? Like, a bunch of sneakerheads are gonna be like, wow, this is the most basic GR in my entire life. So sign this petition. Let's make this shoe different. Just comment down below. And maybe before it's too late, this video will help out, man. I know right now it's hard to make content because, let's face it, a lot of shoes are being delayed and there's nothing else I can present to you guys to the table. But there is one thing. Like I said, guys, we are going to be collaborating with a Toronto store. We are going to do this on Mondays. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Flight for Hype. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is a very short video, but I guess I just wanted to say my piece about this. And yeah, guys, this is Jordan Stamina. Thank you so much for watching. This is Flight for Hype. Peace.